Alright, hello. I'm not feeling well this morning, so I am doing a little lesson for you here before I go back to bed and to try to feel better. Our goal today is to sort main ideas from supporting details. Our steps are going to be to read the text, read the details, decide which detail covers the whole text, and then check if the other details, the other ideas, support it. So watch me do this. Visiting an aquarium is a lot of fun. At an aquarium, you see a variety of beautiful ocean animals. Jellyfish, seahorses, and octopuses can be colorful and fascinating. Most aquariums also have vibrant corals, which look like plants but are actually animals. Aquariums also usually have a variety of sharks, including hammerhead sharks and sand tiger sharks. An aquarium is a great place to see examples of animal camouflage, as many underwater animals, like fish, are masters of camouflage. Okay, we have some ideas here in this text. One is that aquariums have corals in them, right here. One is that you can see a variety of ocean animals at the aquarium, and variety means lots of different kinds. One is that aquariums usually have types of sharks, that's here. And one is that aquarium is a great place to see animals with camouflage. Oh, the variety one's right here, that's right. So I need to think about, I read those, I need to decide which one is the idea that covers the others. Which one is the idea that the others tell me more information about? Animals have camouflage. That seems fairly specific. Different types of sharks. Again, fairly specific. You can see a variety of animals. That's pretty general. There's lots of different kinds of animals. We could give different ideas about that and support it with different details. This is most aquariums have vibrant corals. Okay, so I choose this as my main idea. Let's see if this is a supporting detail. Does this tell me more about that? That's our last step. We're going to check. Most aquariums have vibrant corals. Is that an example or a fact about you can see ocean animals at the aquarium? Yeah, because corals are animals, and the text explains that. Aquariums usually have different types of sharks. Well, yeah, those are a kind of animals that you can see at an aquarium. An aquarium is a great place to see that animals that have camouflage. Yes, again, those are kinds of animals that you can see at an aquarium. So all of these are supporting details. Alright, I want you to try. I'll read the text to you, and then I want you to pick which of these details is the main idea. Chickens can be useful as pets, as they provide eggs that can be eaten. However, chickens must be taken care of carefully. If you have a chicken, you must make sure that they have plenty of food and water. Also, their chicken coop must be cleaned regularly and their eggs collected. Eating potato skins or chocolate can be fatal to chickens, so make sure your chickens avoid these two foods. Just see, pause the video here and try it. See if you can figure out which of these ideas down here is the main idea. I'll read them to you. Make sure chickens don't eat chocolate or raw potato skins. Chickens must be taken care of if you want to keep one as a pet. Chickens need plenty of food and water. And chickens' eggs must be collected. Alright, welcome back. I think the answer is chicken eggs must be collected. Let's see if the other ones support that idea. Make sure chicken eggs don't eat chocolate or raw potato skins. Oh, hold on, that's not an example of chicken eggs being collected. Doesn't tell me any more about chicken eggs being collected. It doesn't work. Okay. What about chickens need food and water? Well, this is a supporting detail. Chickens must be taken care of. Food and water is an example of that. Make sure chickens don't eat chocolate or raw potato skins. Well, that's one of the foods that you don't want to give them. Chicken eggs must be collected. Oh, well, chickens don't eat their own eggs. That doesn't have anything to do with me giving the chicken food and water. Okay. So I need an idea that covers everything in the passage. All of these key details. Okay, what about chickens must be taken care of if you keep one as a pet? Chickens need plenty of food and water. That's taking care of a chicken. Chickens shouldn't eat chocolate or raw potato skins. That's taking care of a chicken. Chicken eggs must be collected. Is that taking care of a chicken? I mean, it's more taking care of a chicken than it is anything about chickens, what they should eat, right? We wouldn't feed a chicken its own eggs. So that's our best bet. I think these are all ways of taking care of a chicken if you use it as a pet. All right, here is your final task. Antarctica is considered the coldest place on Earth. The temperatures are so frigid in Antarctica that the snow rarely melts. The coldest temperature ever recorded in Antarctica was minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit. That's minus 89.2 degrees Celsius. The only animals that can survive the freezing temperatures have adaptations that keep them warm. For example, penguins and seals have a layer of fat called blubber. Alright, I'll read the details. Snow rarely melts in Antarctica. Penguins and seals have blubber that keeps them warm. The coldest temperature recorded in Antarctica is minus 128.6 degrees. Antarctica is cold. Which of these ideas covers all the others? Pause the video and try to decide for yourself which one is the main idea. Snow rarely melts in Antarctica. If that's the main idea, then this should be about snow not melting, this should be about snow not melting, and this should not be about snow not melting. Antarctica is cold, well that's a reason it doesn't melt. The coldest temperature recorded in Antarctica is minus 128.6 degrees. That could be a reason that snow doesn't melt. Penguins and seals have blubber to keep them warm. Well, that's not a reason or an example of snow not melting, so that doesn't work. The answer is the one that covers everything. Antarctica is cold, so because of that, seals have blubber to keep them warm. An example of that is the coldest temperature. An example of that is that snow is so cold it almost never melts. So here we have the situation where all of the details support the main idea. Today in your assignment, you'll sort out some ideas from details, and there will be a couple of review questions. That's all for now.